After doing tons of research and scrolling through YouTube, now more than ever we are seeing many new channels start to blow up with only 1 to 3 videos having thousands of views and even subscribers. So the question many of you guys might have is, how are they doing it? In reality, it is actually easier than it might seem, so let's get straight into the info and strategies which can help you make passive income on YouTube. First of all, you must pick a good paying niche with high CPM rates. Categories such as the finance and business niche are examples of money making niches that can generate YouTube creators thousands and upwards to millions of dollars if done correctly. YouTube and advertisers both know that viewers watching financial videos are more likely and are capable of spending much more money. Therefore, advertisers become more willing to spend much more money to promote their products or services, and in return gives the content creator even much more money. This step of picking a good niche for your YouTube channel is a fundamental step towards creating passive income. Remember to focus on engaging and retaining your audience, explore monetization opportunities, and prioritize long-term growth and sustainability. That's not it. After picking a good paying niche while it's still being an interest of yours, it is important to create high quality content rather than getting as much videos out there which you will see no progress. One high quality video is worth more than 10 plus videos that have been rushly and poorly made. When we look at these huge channels such as Mr. Beast, even to the new channels that have grown explosively in popularity, we can see how YouTube favors quality versus quantity. These new channels with only 2 to 3 quality videos have gained much more attention and impressions than those of other channels that are not following this crucial step in making it big on YouTube. By focusing on delivering high quality videos that captivate and engage your audience, you build credibility, trust, and loyalty. Quality content enhances the user experience, maximizes sharing potential, and sets the stage for long-term growth and sustainability on the platform. So make sure you invest your time, effort, and resources into crafting exceptional content that leaves a lasting impact on your viewers. By doing so, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving and successful YouTube channel. Whatever you do in the end, make sure to be consistent and passionate in what you are doing. Enjoy the process, and remember, the most successful YouTubers are the ones that are constantly curious and working to put out great quality content for their viewers. To take this one step further, I'm going to be using this video to confirm the various strategies talked about in this video and how anyone following this can become successful on YouTube. Together we can track the progress and see how successful any YouTube channel can be. I will share the results with you all in the next 1 to 2 weeks, so be sure to subscribe to follow the journey.